madam. Yours is the first item for free. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, madam, station sa ating live this morning, dam. Ang daming magaganda, madam. Kasi maganda ang ating na-open na bundle, madam. Okay, madam. Next item po tayo, madam.
Next, madam, down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 96 pesos. Mine, look hot, medium, madam, for only 96 pesos. Mine, look hot, medium, madam, for only 96. Mine, look hot. Next, madam.
Mayan, look hot, for only 96. Lagi, madam, siya kuha na ko gi-refresh, madam. Feeling na ko, di sa ito na ko makita ang answer dayon ni Madam Lopolak, no? Okay, madam. Next item po tayo, madam. Uy, ang ganda ni look hot. Dam, this one, gusot lang, madam, pero maganda. For only 96 pesos, dam, maganda dam ha, gusot lang. Best fit to medium, carry up to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, 96, Mayan. Happy. Mine, happy, medium to semi-large, 96 pesos. Mine, happy, medium to semi-large, 96. Happy. Next time, madam.
Mine, happy, madam. Yesi Labapis, yours si Luca. Please go screenshot, madam. Yesi Labapis. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam. Down this one for only 56 pesos, 96 pesos. Medium to semi-large. Mine red, medium to semi-large, 96. Mine red, medium to semi-large, 96. Red, next.
Lagi mo daw, Elsie. Next na, madam. Madam, this one for only 96 pesos daw. Ang ganda nito daw. Best fit to medium. Hello, Madam Shaan Enriquez. Good morning, Madam Shaan. Madam, ang atong shorts, madam, will be flex, madam, this afternoon na live. 2 to 5 p.m., madam. Okay, madam, this one up to medium for only 96. Medium, madam, wapo kayo, madam. Mine, gorgeous. Mine, gorgeous, up to medium for only 96 pesos, madam. Mine, gorgeous, best fit to medium, 96. Gorgeous! Next na, madam. Madam Liz Cervantes, yours na si Happy. Please to screenshot, Madam Liz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wapa ni dam, kumut lang. Second minor, Madam Alma Abalos. Next, madam.
Mine gorgeous. Down this one, medium to large for only 96 pesos. Mine Coelho. Mine Coelho, medium to large for only 96. Mine Coelho, medium to large, 96. Mine Coelho. Next.
Sige siya.
Madam Liz Cervantes, new minor po kayo, madam. Please send us your complete details and 100 pesos down payment. One time only and deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Liz Cervantes. Meron pong pinihim sa inyo, madam.
Next na, madam. Madam Apple Balibalos, yours si gorgeous, Madam Apple. Please go screenshot, Madam Apple. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam May Prado. Dam, this one, dam, ang ganda nito, dam, large. Best fit to large for only 96. Ang ganda ng kulay and tela. Large to XL, Madam Carrie. Mine banat. Mine banat, large to XL for only 96 pesos. Mine banat, large to XL, 96. Banat! Next na, madam.
Mine banat. Down this one, up to large. Up to large, medium to large for only 96. Mine barco. Mine barco, medium to large for only 96. Mine barco, medium to large for only 96. Mine barco, medium to large, 96. Next.
Mayan Barco. Oy, dam, this one, white and blue. For only 96 pesos, up to semi-med. Up to semi-med, semi-crop top, Mayan Salamin. Mayan Salamin, up to semi-med. For only 96. Huwang naginiglaba and plancha, madam. Mayan Salamin, up to semi-med. 96. Next time, madam.
Mine salamin for only 96. Madam May Prado, yours is si Barco. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam. Down this one, 10 over 10 ang pagkaputi. Medium, madam. Mine ribbon. Mine ribbon, madam. Up to medium for only 96. Mine ribbon, medium for only 96. Mine ribbon. Next, madam.
Next na, madam. Madam Rizal Senaling. Yours is si Banat, Madam Rizal. Please screenshot down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Jean Lay Relief. Madam Myra Luna Bulayog, yours na si Salamin. Please screenshot Madam Myra Luna. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na Madam, for only 96. Uy, ang ganda nito Dam. Up to XL to siya Madam ha. Ganyan po siya Madam. Adam, best fit to extra large for only 96 pesos. Mine extra. Mine extra, madam. Best fit to XL for only 96 pesos. Mine extra. Extra.